Hadian kajing sya ujor haki babon balang gi bakentop ya kaseng Congress kabala let ban bo da kajing ujor hau Chief Electoral Officer uba Frederick Kharkongor ban penpau bakumno ka chairperson jang Meghalaya State Women's Commission ka kong Pidelia toy kan let ban yasim benta hakarali kabala lam khmat dau kurtong kaseng NPP na Jowai constituency uba wailat miki hakasngi kabala let ban thep kerteng kala bo yau dak jingkali uba he apok kajella Henry, nakaliang ka sorkar jela, lingba katanat social welfare, kat kum ka notification kabla thot tarik, kat saw tarik jong bunai rempang arja arpulai. Kala pentip, baya ka Meghalaya State Women's Commission, la pynduh no naduh ka kat pratarik ukula lingkot arja arpulai, kata kat kum ka sithi kabala wan na ka office jong menteri rangba ka jela, haka lifeway tarik ukula lingkot arja arpulai. Kat kum ketelong kubor laya tu baka election commission hadian ke jinglap ya kisaki ki babiang lingba ki video bat ki dor ki bala yoi baka kompidelia toy talayat rengkat bat ukur tong ke NPP hadian ke jing pendap ban tap kerteng bat ban yeng harengkat bat upat ba nong kersan ke NPP syabar ke office u returning officer kalapan jing pynshai na ka sorkar jela bat hadian kata kila yo priang ya kate ke sithi kumban su pentep ke kompidelia toy kala syemti ya kate ka kam nadu ka khatsan tarik ubnai no pra jong snam arajar arpuwei.
The rampant corruption in Meghalaya has choked the development process in the state. Is this the Meghalaya we dreamt of? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya. Power cut free Meghalaya. Congress is committed to providing 24/7 uninterrupted electricity to every home and industry in Meghalaya.
What commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta